bedroomed house, and this is the sitting room. It's the first room you get into from the door, and it's quite a spacious sitting room. Yeah, that is the sitting room, and we have a window right over there, so there is the room is well lit, and yeah, that is it from the door. That is the living room from where I am standing. And that is the door. And then right across you have the bathroom stroke the washroom. Yeah, this is the bathroom and the washroom. They are not separated. We have the shower over there, and we have a mirror here. Yeah, this is the mirror, and the sink, and then we have our small kitchen over here. It's a tiny one, but it's manageable, and we have the storage space over there, and we have some more storage space over there, and right outside the kitchen is our balcony. Yeah, this is our balcony. And finally, here is our bedroom. I've told you this is a one-bedroomed house. There is the window right over there, and the closets over there, and you have some storage spaces right above the closets. Yeah, and this house is located along Kikuyu Road, and it's going for 15,000 shillings. One bedroom for 15,000 shillings. And those that know Kikuyu Road, you know that this house is worth the price. That is the bedroom. The kitchen.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's time.
Again, I will leave the contact information on the description box below, so if you are interested in the house, please check on the description box below to contact the agent.
So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's time. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it's time. Yeah, I'm really being honest. I want this to last. Said you wanted honest. I'm giving you my hand. Said you wanted honest. Giving you
When you get into the house, the first room is the sitting room. Quite spacious, and it has a lot of natural lighting. We have that bathroom and the washroom are separated. That is the washroom and the bathroom, which is a plus. They are separated, and then we have a mirror over there. And then on your left is the kitchen with those storage space over there, and more storage space over there. The kitchen is quite spacious, not as spacious, but it's enough to place your cooker and your fridge. So again, that is quite something. From the kitchen right outside is the balcony, and you guys, the balcony is massive. Just look at that. Look at that. It's so big. So big. Let me show you the whole balcony. Yes, that is the whole balcony. It's quite big. Quite big. You can do a lot with that balcony. So that is the kitchen from where I am standing, from the balcony. And I have forgotten to show you the storage spaces down here below the sink. You have your sink there. And then let's go to the bedrooms. So we get to the first bedroom, which is spacious. I don't know what to do without this space. The first bedroom is so big. That is it from the door. This camera is not even giving the space justice. You have enough storage space over there. Those are the closets. That is the storage space for you. And that is the window, which is bringing a lot of natural lighting into the room. And the closet have these drawers inside there. More storage space for you. So that is the first bedroom. And then here is the second bedroom. It's not as big, but I think the first bedroom has already taken care of that because the first bedroom is massive. More storage space for you. The closets. Yeah, those are the closets. And there is a window over there, making sure that the room is well lit. So that is the house for you. So this is the first bedroom. The second bedroom, which is big. I'm telling you, the camera is not even doing justice to this room. That is the second bedroom. The washrooms over there. That is the toilet. And then we have the washroom. Then our kitchen. And this house is located along Kikuyu Road, and this particular one is going for 25,000. This one is going for 25,000, and it's worth the money because the sitting room and one of the bedrooms is big, and the kitchen is enough because we have this space over here where you can put your cooker and your fridge, and we have enough storage space over there, and we have the massive balcony over there. So I will leave the contact details on the description box below. Be sure to check it if you are interested in the house.
So what you doing to me?